Hello my dear students, I miss you so much. Our lesson today, we're going to complete the previous lesson. We were talking about the pattern, but before we were talking about the visual pattern that has a shapes. Today we're going to complete with the number pattern. What's the meaning of number pattern? Number pattern, if this is number pattern, when I'm repeating some numbers, when I have some numbers are repeating, I have to find the key that helps me to know the sequence of numbers that I'm going to follow. Let's find these questions together to find the key. Let's answer this one. Okay, the first question. Okay, do we have a lot of questions today? Let's see. We have the first one, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. When I want to answer the pattern, I have to find first the key. What's my key? The key is going to help me to answer the numbers. Let's see. This is the first number is number 2, and then the next number is 4, and then 6. So from 2 to 4, how many jumps did we jump? Let's count. After 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So we jump by 2 numbers. So let's figure out. We're going to answer every time. This is my key. I'm going to repeat it every time. I'm going to jump by 2. So from 2 to 4 we jump 2, from 4 to 6 we jump 2, from 6 to 8 we jump 2, from 8 to 10 we jump 2. So after 10 let's jump 2, so 11 and 12. Excellent. So the answer is going to be 12. After 12 jump 2, so it's going to be 14. After 14 jump 2, it's going to be 16. After 16 we jump 2, so it's going to be 18. Excellent. After 18 we jump 2, so it's going to be 20. Super students, let's go to the next one. 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. This is the numbers that we have. Let's figure out what's my key or how many jumps I need to jump. From 17 to 19, we always look at the first numbers. From 17 to 19, we jump. After 17, 18, 19. Excellent. So we jump by 2. So each time I'm going to jump by 2. So after 19 we jump 2, we find ourselves in 21, and then jump to 23, and then jump to 25. So let's jump after 25. Excellent. 27. Excellent. 26 and 27. So we stop at 27. Let's jump another 2 after 27. 28, 29. So the answer is going to be 29. Jump after 29. Jump more 2. So we're going to be 31. And then jump more 2. So we're going to be 33. And then we're going to jump another 2. So it's going to be 35. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. 48, 44, 40, 36, and 32. Let's see, all the time we have to start to look at the first 2 numbers. So 48 and 44. We are not jumping forward. We are going to jump backward because we start with the big number. So I'm going to jump backward. So let's count. Before 48, let's count until I reach to 44. So before 48 we have 47, 46, 45, 44. So we jump by 4. So each time I'm going to jump 4, but this time I'm going to jump backward. Remember, when we were to count, we were counting backward, we're going to count backward. Don't forget this. So before 48 we found backward, we count 4 numbers. So before 44 we have 43, 42, 41, and 40. So we jump by 4. So it's going to be 40. Let's jump another 4 backwards. So before 40 we have 39, 38, 37, and 36. Excellent. We are going well. Then we jump from 36, we jump 4 backwards. So before 36, we have 35, 34, 33, and 32. So we finish at 32. So let's jump backward. Before 32, we have to jump 4. So before 32, we have 31, 30, and 29 and 28. So I'm going to stop at 28. Excellent. This is my answer. Let's go to the next one. Before 28, jump 4 backward. So before 28 we have 20, 27, 26, 25, and 24. Excellent. So my answer is going to be 24. Let's jump 4 backward. Before 24, 23, 22, 21, and 20. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Before 20, I'll give you 1 second to count. Excellent. This is 16. I heard you, my super duper students. Let's go to the next one. Before 16, 1 second. 1 second only. Excellent. So before 16 we count 4, so it will be 12. Let's go to the next one. 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. First we look at the first two numbers, 10 to 15. Let's jump. Let's know how many jumps we jump. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We reach to 15, so I'm right. So we jump how many jumps? Excellent, 5 jumps. So from 15 to 20, we jump 5 jumps. From 20, jump 5, it will be 25. Jump another 5, so it will be 30. So after 30, jump another 5. Excellent, 35. Jump another 5. Excellent, 40. More 5, 45. More 5, 50. More 5, it will be 55. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. 27, 25, 23. Oh, are we jumping backward or forward? From 27 to 25? Excellent, we are jumping backward. So let's figure out how many jumps we're gonna jump. Before 27 we have